Hey there, welcome to your ultimate guide on mastering unbreakable discipline. Want to unlock unbreakable discipline? It's the key to achieving your dreams and goals. You're in the right place. Today we're going to break down the process into 3 simple, actionable steps. Today let's dive into 3 simple steps to build rock-solid discipline that lasts. Ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Set clear goals. This is the foundation of your journey. Think of your goals like a GPS destination. Without a clear target, you won't know where you're headed. Without a clear target, you'll just wander aimlessly. It's like trying to navigate through a dense forest without a map. Take a moment to write down exactly what you want to achieve. Be specific. The more detailed, the better. Maybe it's waking up at 5 a.m. every day or hitting the gym 4 times a week. Whatever it is, make it clear and precise. Put your goals somewhere you can see them daily. This constant reminder will keep you focused and motivated. As Tony Robbins says, setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Your goals are the blueprint of your success. Step 2. Build a routine. This is where the magic happens. Routines are the backbone of discipline. They create structure and predictability in your day. Start small and be consistent. Small steps lead to big changes over time. If you're looking to read more, begin with just 10 minutes a day. It's manageable and sets the stage for a lasting habit. Once it becomes a habit, you can gradually increase the time. The key is to build up slowly and steadily. The key is to make it so automatic that it feels like brushing your teeth. It should become a natural part of your day. Remember, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Aristotle. Step 3. Stay accountable. This is crucial for long-term success. Find a friend, mentor, or join a community that shares your goals. Having someone to share your journey with makes a huge difference. Accountability partners can provide the encouragement and support you need when motivation wanes. They keep you on track, share your progress, celebrate your wins, and learn from setbacks together. This collective effort boosts morale and keeps you going. It's much easier to stay disciplined when you know someone's got your back. You're not alone in this journey. As Jim Rohn said, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with positive influences. And there you have it, folks. A simple yet powerful guide to mastering unbreakable discipline. Set clear goals, build a routine, and stay accountable. These steps will set you on the path to success. Discipline isn't about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Consistency is the key to long-term success. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Celebrate each milestone. So take that first step today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with 1 step. Lao Tzu. Thanks for watching. Your journey to unbreakable discipline starts now. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Spread the knowledge, stay disciplined, and keep pushing forward. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to grow. Catch you in the next one. Keep striving for excellence and never give up.